Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add payment method on Coinbase. So watch the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So to get started, you have to log into your Coinbase app or probably on the website. So for the website version, just go to coinbase.com, then for the app, just open it, then sign in with your account. So if you have signed up already, just click or complete the verification process. Then after that, then tap on your profile icon, which is on the settings. Just go to the settings, then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then if it is on the website, just click on your profile icon, then select settings from the menu. Then in settings, click on payment method, or go to the profile and settings, then click on payment method. You will see the list. You see a list of any existing payment method. Then to add a new method, you have to click on payment method or the plus icon right in front of it. Then choose the payment method you want to add. For example, you can add bank account, you can add credit or debit card, and you can also add PayPal if available in your country. You can also use wire transfer if available. Then after that, you have to enter your bank name, then your bank account, and your routing number. Then after that, you can also input your card number, expiration date, your CVV, and the billing address. Then after that, you can also log into your PayPal account and connect it with your Coinbase. Then after that, for bank account, Coinbase may make a small test deposit for verification. So for credit and debit card, you might need to confirm a code from your bank, and after that, if it is for PayPal, verification happen through the PayPal login. So once all of this is done, review the information and confirmed. Then once verified, your payment method will be added to your account, and that's just a simple step-by-step guide on how you can add a payment method on Coinbase. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more. Thank you.